Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to reset your Hisense Smart TV. This is very easy. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you want to reset your Hisense Smart TV, what you have to do is go out to your settings over here and you go out to the last option that says support. Here's it over here, last option, and on it also come to the last option that says reset to factory default. This is restore your TV to the factory default. If you click on it, you're going to see the option. It says you can also save existing channels and favorite channels and so on. But this option says reset will clear your personal settings and information. Are you sure you wish to continue? So please make sure you are very sure on what you're doing before you go over here and click on restore. If not, please don't do it. But if you want to reset, you can save data and then you can cover here. Just click on restore, and then your smart TV, your Hisense smart TV, is going to be reset to factory default. Find the video helpful, like, subscribe.